Ahoy! My name is Kurt, and while searching for inspiration on the internet, I came across a couple of photos of Halloween voodoo hearts. I wanted to try it myself and create my own version, so I didn't come up with this idea myself. First, I rolled FoamClay into small worms because FoamClay takes a while to dry, and in the meantime I could prepare other things. Before we continue, if you enjoy my videos and would like to support my channel, please subscribe to stay updated and not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for your support. After about an hour, the worms were almost dry. I used a hairdryer to speed up the process. This rubber heart has been sitting in my Halloween decoration box for a while. I think I have too many boxes, and it's perfect for this project. I gave the heart a fresh coat of black acrylic paint and set it aside to dry. I used this aluminum wire to create my own barbed wire. I twisted two wires together and attached many small wires to it. Because I applied the acrylic paint quite thickly, the drying process took a bit longer, so I used the hairdryer again. Then I wrapped the self-made barbed wire around the heart without much thought and tied it at the back. No voodoo is complete without nails, so I used common nails for this step. To add more texture to the heart, I grabbed my crafting moss and attached a small amount to the back of the heart. Additionally, I scattered some moss here and there to make certain areas look a bit more eerie. Different types of moss provided an interesting texture to the whole piece. To check if the FoamClay worms are done, you just need to throw them against the wall, and if they stick, they need more time. These worms are ready to go. I used super glue to secure the FoamClay worms in place. The next morning, I removed the upper part of the barbed wire as I found it distracting. The heart looked a bit too chaotic. Somehow everything was all over the place. I wanted the metal parts to look rusty and old, so I mixed brown acrylic paint. Okay, come on. Alright, with a bit of baking soda for a cool texture, some wood stain and, well, a bit more wood stain and craft glue. I applied this mixture over the nails, the barbed wire and the FoamClay worms. I also applied a bit of this mixture over the moss parts to make them look less like moss. To bring out the details of the rubber heart, I lightly brushed some white chalk paint on the surface. Now, just a moment. Oh my god. I applied a second coat of this rust mixture later. To make the heart look even more gross, I applied some acrylic varnish here and there. I mixed the wood stain with red acrylic paint again and applied this mixture under the barbed wire. This added more variety and changed the color scheme a bit. And there it was, all finished. This is my version of a Halloween voodoo heart. Thank you so much for tuning in and sticking around until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and the project, and if you have any questions about this or any other project, feel free to message me on Facebook or Instagram, or simply leave a comment here. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, take care.